Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've come with a new video that is really very interesting and very useful to you. Do you know why? Because in this video I'm just going to share to you why the people they are so much crazy to know this language, why the people they have engaged to learn this language, English language, and why it has become an important language for everyone, one who has started to know this language, one who has started to learn this language. Because everybody has the dream to know this language, everybody dream to learn this language and to speak like a fluent speaker with confidence without hesitations. Similarly, all the peoples, like all the learners one, all the beginners one, when they start their journey of English language, at the time they have a lots of confidence that I'm just going to start up my English journey, and definitely I will gonna to learn a lots of things, and even though I would able to speak like a foreigner speaker, so speak like a native speaker. So they have a dreams, but unfortunately when they start to know this language, when they start their journey of the English language, at mid of their journeys they just stuck, and they just think that if I'm not able to know this language, then why I'm just trying to be in this part. I just lose all those things, I just left all those things, I just leave all those things, because I'm not able to get all those things. Even though if I am able to understand, but I'm not able to express my thoughts and feeling in front of the people. So and these kind of things people they just think when they start to know this language. But don't you think that if you just give up in learning English language, then a lots of golden opportunities you just left with you. So I would like to suggest that I would like to say to you that you don't have to just lose your hope, you don't have to give up in your life. Because yeah, definitely I could say that if something has started in our life, if we have started something new in our life to learn, then definitely at the first time we will face the difficulties in our life, because it's new thing for us and we have not heard about this kind of things. And at the first time we will face a lots of problems, even though we will stuck a lots, and a lots of embarrassing moments will come. But we don't have to fear from this kind of things. We just have to think that if I have started this journey of learning English language, then there is necessary to improve in this kind of things. You don't have to lose your hope. And do you know that why the English is very important in our life? I just think that English is most important and most common language in nowadays. And every people's they just start to learn this language, to this just start to have the conversation with the people. They just have the conversation with the co-learners, and they just improve their communication skills through social media. Because there is a lots of reason behind it that why the people they have engaged to learn this language, and why it is very important for us, why there is needed to know this language. The first reason is that if we want to survive in this era, or if we want to survive in this society, and if we want to just live with our respect, then there is needed that we should know English language. Because if you went somewhere, and at that moment, at that point, some people says to you in English, and if you are not knowing English language, then at the time you will feel really embarrassing, and that moment will really embarrassing to you. You will just think that why I'm just not knowing English language. Somebody has just spoken in front of me English language, and even though I am not able to reply them in English, so at that moment you will face embarrassing. And if you want to just improve your self respect, then for that also there is needed that we should know English language. So that's why I just think that English language is really very important for nowadays. And the second reason that I would like to say is that if you want to take a good job in your future life, if you want to be a if you want to do higher studies in your life, if you have just completed your 10, and after having your 10th, after completed your 10, if you will start to do your higher study, for that there is also needed to do in English language. Yeah, I'm not saying that without doing in English language you will face a lots of issues, but definitely I would like to say that if you will just do from your native language, if you just study from your native language, then in comparison to English language, your native language will definitely gonna to face a lots of issues. Definitely gonna to you will I would like to say that English is common for everybody's, and it's if we want to connect with the globally, then there is needed that we should have the better influence in English language. That's why I would like to say that everybody knows and connect globally in English language, and nobody knows about your native language. So if you will just want to take your jobs in your future life, then at that point, at that moment, there is needed that if somebody wants to take you interview, then at the time they just want you be to do in your English language. A lots of issues that you will face when you just start your journey of your educations, and when you start your journey in your life, at a time you will face difficulties while taking jobs, while going to somewhere else. So definitely I just think that there is needed to know English. At that point there is needed to know English language, and I am also suggesting that English is not that much important, not that much like not that much hard to know English language. But I could see that it's also not a cup of tea that today I have started to know this language and tomorrow I will gonna to get a lots of thing, even though tomorrow I will just going to speak a lot, speak confidently, fluently. It is definitely not like that. English is a language, and for learning English language, for learning any language, they needed that we just have to do a lots of practice. And if we will just practice a lot, then only we would able to speak very well English language fluently, confidently, without hesitations. So that's why we don't have to lose our hope that we are not able to achieve that things, we are not able to speak very well English language. We don't have to lose our hopes. We just have to think, if I have started my journey of the English language, not only about your English language, if you have also started your life journey, if you have also started your learning journey of any things, then you just have to think, I don't have to give up, I don't have to lose my hope. Because if you will just lose your hope, if you will just give up, then no one could gonna to just tell to you, just no one will gonna to tell to you that just to stand up and just move towards your goals. It's not necessary for all the people that all the people will gonna to motivate you towards your goals, towards your success. That's why I would like to suggest that you don't have to be go backward towards learning English language. One you should start you learning English language. And you know that if you also want to connect with the peoples globally, like if you want to go to the foreign, if you want to go foreign, or if you want to go any other state in India also, for that there is needed to know English language. So I would like to suggest that for every reason, for every criteria, I have just seen English language only. So that's why English is really very important for us. If you will not be just habitual towards your English language, then a lots of issues that you will gonna to face in your future life, in your coming life, in your present life, you will gonna to feel a lots of problem. And don't take it serious that English is very hard to learn, because in now eras, all the people they are knowing English language, and English has become a common language for everybody. So don't fear, don't hesitate, just start your journey of English language if you don't know. Because you also have just seen that small children, they are knowing, they are speaking English language, and why we can't speak? Definitely it will make a little efforts toward learning anything, then definitely we could achieve. And you know that I am also a learner. I don't know how to speak well English language, but I am also trying to speak in front of you. Why do you just think that I'm just making this video? I just make this video because I just face camera. I just think that if I will face the camera, then I could just open my mouth towards speaking. I could just remove my hesitations, remove my fearness of speaking English language, because most of the people, they fear to face in front of the cameras. And definitely by not facing in front of the camera, they just lose their hopes for learning anything. That's why I'm just facing this camera. I'm also a learner like you, like beginners one. I'm also a learner, so I'm just trying to give my best that you could just gonna to learn English language. I just share my experience towards you, towards I just share my opinions towards you, so that you will gonna to get a lots of thing by watching my videos. And if you just like my video, then definitely subscribe, like and share to my video. And I just upload a newly and helpful video, so that all the peoples, all the learners, they could gonna to learn a lots of things. So thank you guys, I will meet in the next video.